Everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And here's a little sneak peek of what you're going to see inside. Take a good look at that, because this is going to get lit up at the end. Included in this video is a special unboxing. Okay, Lindsay, this is for you. This is for me. I am excited. I'm more than excited. Oh. Upside down. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. How many did you buy? Oh my God, Linda. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. My spot is even saying how gorgeous. Oh my. Holy. You gotta see that sparkle. See that sparkle? This is amazing. If you could feel this. Oh my God. They smell delicious too. Linda, you are amazing. Oh my. And I'm going to put these on my tree. Linda, I cannot thank you enough. You are amazing. These ornaments are stunning. Why you don't have a channel, I will never know. You support every single person on YouTube. I can't thank you enough. Big hugs. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Now here before you is a list of everything I used in this project, which may look like a lot, but it's really not. You'll find everything listed in the description below. You can take a quick screenshot now, or you can just look in the description. I'm taking a Sharpie and I'm drawing an outline of the opening that I want in this Christmas Bauble. Now I'm taking that foam cutter and I'm using it from the side because I find that it's much easier to make that initial hole. If I do that from the side, you're going to see once I break through. And now look, that cuts just like butter. And you see how quick that goes? On that. For time purposes, I am speeding this up 10 times, but the actual time was 2 minutes, just so you have an idea of how long it took. Now that foam cutter comes with this little piece of metal, and this is to clean off. And as you can see here, I'm just cleaning off that plastic. And it is advisable to wear a mask while you're doing this, which I did. I'll do just cleaning that off while it's still hot. And after I do that, I'm going to unplug this, and we're going to place it in another area. Now I'm taking these fake crystal gems and I'm placing them inside this ball, as you can see. And then I'm going to place some UV resin there, and I'm going to put that under the light. And this is what it looked like from the inside, just to give you an idea. That ball did fit in between the UV light. Added that UV resin, and then we're going to put that back under the Let's Resin Advanced lamp, which cures from both sides, by the way. That's why these cure really fast. And while that's curing, I mixed some of the cut glass, that blue cut glass, and some UV resin just to wet it. It's not saturated, it's just barely wet. So this is what we have so far, and it's looking really well. I love the way it's looking. Now we're going to add some of this glass inside. Put that back on the cup. So I'm carefully putting the cut glass in here, and I speeded this up quite a bit. Just take your time doing it. Get it to your liking, and as soon as you're satisfied, just put it under the UV light for 5 minutes. And that's what I'm doing here. And while that is cooking, or so to speak, we're going to add a little clear resin and some midnight blue, just so fine, and we're going to add that to the top. Whoops. Hope I didn't add too much there. To the top of this little piece, and that's going to make the sky inside of this beautiful ornament. It's going to look so beautiful up in there. As long as I spend this day with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Okay, that took less than 5 minutes. That took about 3 minutes in there. And look how gorgeous that looks inside. Wow. Bling, bling, bling. I love that bling. Okay, let me put this back up here. And remember that this is resin that I'm doing this with, so I'm going to brush it on. And then I'm going to put this under the light. That's what's going to make it so beautiful. to get into the inside of the ball here too.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy.
That is looking pretty good. That looks pretty good to me. And now I want to get it under the light, but let me put this up here. And I'm going to clean my brush in the interim while I put this under the light.
Reminds me of something gone.
2 minutes will be enough.
Lights and angels help me.
We'll be back.
Through the changes and
Okay. And we're back.
Christmas night.
And you can see how good.
Show me hope and glory. Write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Christmas, a time to be cheerful and joyful, but baby, you left me alone. So send me lights and angels, help me.
Okay, at the last minute here, I decided I was going to put these lights in. And I'm sorry I didn't video this, but I put them through here. And I should have glued them in, but I'm not going to do that. But I want to put them around. I want to see if I can put them around the edges here. So I haphazardly put this around the edge with the UV resin. And I used the J-Diction this time because there was a small bottle and it was just so much easier to hold. And you'll see I just kind of threw them in there because I like the way it looked in there. And you're going to see at the end how they looked, how beautiful. Just a quick embellishment with the chrome pen.
Show me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Oh, show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night.
Then straight to the tree we go. I have to say, this ornament really came gorgeous. But the filming of this did it no justice at all. The blue one was for my son, and at the end you're going to see the pink one I made was for my daughter. I want to wish a Merry Christmas to all my amazing YouTube subscribers and take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for being a part of this incredible community. Your support and enthusiasm mean the world to me, and I hope this holiday season brings you joy, warmth, and wonderful moments with your loved ones. Special thanks to my newest members, the Traveling Tramps and Simply Nanette. Your commitment and generosity is what truly makes this community so special. I want to wish a magical and joyous Christmas filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Thank you all for being part of my YouTube journey. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. Till next time, Happy New Year, everyone.